What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Relentless Shine. Today we're going to do a little bit more of a walkthrough style, look at all the vehicles we're working on. Let's get this thing going. All right, so if you've watched our videos, you know that this is the clean side. This is where the paint protection film, ceramic coatings, window tint goes down. It's AC controlled, humidity controlled, all the very necessary things to get a repeatable, installation done on whatever the vehicle is and whatever service it's getting. So TRX actually knocked out. We've got to, wipe off some smudges here and there, but it's got a full front on there. And what we did was we removed the factory stripes on it, put the paint protection film on, and then reinstalled the stripes. We do that because that's the proper clean way to install it while also keeping the factory OEM look. If you put paint protection film over this matte sticker, well, it's going to look gloss and it's not going to match everything else. So it's got it on the hood, the bumper, headlight, fog lights, full fenders. The rest of it is polished with our 5-year self-healing coating. So all the blue, the lower black as well. And then we also do all the black plastic trim. Everything gets coated. This Corvette right here, super low mile car. It had old paint protection film, and just with age, it obviously didn't look too good. So it's been pulled off, it's been cleaned. We're about to reinstall a partial on it. You guys should see some of that here in a little bit and get this guy back out there. We also did one piece of window tint. It had a problem actually in the door mechanism itself, but we knocked that out for him. All the way in the back, we have a 50-mile trimmer. I mean, even though suspension is spotless. F-250, we got a polish on this thing, didn't need too much. And then again, our 5-year self-healing coating. The same song and dance, headlights, taillights, black plastics and chromes, all coated. We also did the windshield for Bugs because he does a lot of highway mile driving. And then we did the wheel faces to help there. And we did a full tint job on it. So windshield, all the sides, and the sunroofs, all in ceramic film, all legal, lifetime warranty, all that good stuff. Man, we're gonna get some shots of us knocking out some of this work, guys. So we'll see you in a second. Alrighty guys, we got the 2 trucks finalized. They're awaiting their pickup now. We've got the film installed on the Corvette. We're gonna get a little bit of drying time, curing time going on here. Film goes on quick, but it's gotta be done and dry and cured before you can send it out into the wild. That pretty much finishes up our day. If you're liking the content we're pushing out, please subscribe, give us a like, say some nice words in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next one.